here we go, day number 3. Gonna head on out to the boat. Gonna go help Billy. Yeah. Still not a very nice day. I almost what?
You almost closed the door on my face, you know.
I almost closed the door in your face. You'll be alright.
Yeah, that's a very nice present. To be having the door closed on your face.
Huh, okay.
It's very nice.
Very nice.
Very fun.
Might improve some things.
Ew, it's raining.
But yeah, it's a lovely day out here. So
Yes.
let's go get some work done. Alright, here we are back at Bach Marine, day 2, working on STEELAWAY. So let's go see what Billy's doing. Up the ladder. Knock, knock.
Come on in.
All right, so for right now, this is where Billy's been sleeping, on a couch. So that's just not good. Let's go fix this. So, morning, Billy.
Good morning, sir.
So, we don't need to be putting holes in our boat.
Yeah.
This is where his main cabin is. But he's had stuff piled up on it. Now we're going to get it fixed. That way he has a place to sleep other than a couch. Yeah. This light's for the engine room.
Yeah.
Alright. Got some nice LED lights. There's another memory foam mattress that can roll up, make it look neater than that. I don't know if that's gonna fit up there. Did I go through? Kinda. Got it. Let's roll this up. Not just throw this up. You're gonna drive me crazy.
Here's a belt for you.
No, I actually got shorts that fit today.
Think we can fold it up any tighter?
Oh yeah.
You camera on, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, good. Now I can't say what I was going to say.
All right, go ahead.
Oh, no.
What bed does this go on to?
It's a V-berth. It's a V-berth bed.
Up in the very front?
Yeah.
Is it ever going back onto the bed?
Yeah, why?
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 Just asking.
Yeah, it is. I hope so. Anyway, why? You don't think so?
I mean, if you're turning into storage, might as well just get rid of this thing.
Oh, no. The storage is on top. I love duct tape.
There you go.
Okay.
Nice little package. All right, so we're out here in the rain. We got us a little area set up. We're gonna be moving some metal off the trailer because here in a little bit, or not today, but a couple weeks, whatnot, Billy's actually gonna be going back to California, taking care of some business and stuff. But old STEELAWay is getting a new paint job. So a lot of this is gonna have to be cleaned up. That way they can come and they can grab it, go sandblast it, paint it, all that good stuff. So while he's away, he's gonna get a new paint job, but to do that, we need to empty the trailer. So out here in the rain, let's get busy. All right, so there we go. We got it all stacked up off the trailer.
Let's
Now
rephrase the statement. After did all the stacking nice and neat, I just sit there and handed it to him.
we both did it, but let's get some water off you guys there. Yeah, it's raining, so we're gonna go ahead and step inside. Step inside, get out of the rain for a little bit, and yeah. So everything's getting cleaned up, getting it looking nice. That way, whenever Billy's gone, they can come pick up the boat, take it, go. They're gonna sandblast a lot of the bottom of this and paint. You know, so a lot of this stuff, it's all gonna get sandblasted all the way up to the rail or basically all the way up. So the green, because all the handrails he's gonna paint white to match the cabin and stuff. But we're getting it cleaned up, getting it tidied up, getting a lot of stuff thrown away. He's just like a lot of us, you know, especially in the trades or the metal stuff, and always holding on to junk. I know I'm definitely part of that group that I like to hold on to stuff. But hey, this one last look around the boat. Yeah, definitely had a great time here visiting family, as we like to say, as a friend and family, right? So come over here if you get a chance. He does have a Facebook page, so I'll put down in the description. It is a private page, so you will have to be accepted if he wants you to be there. All right,
You're always welcome to be on STEELAWAY's page. Just ask me.
Yeah, just like I said, always welcome to be on STEELAWAY's page, and then you can follow his journey. Never know, may or may not have a YouTube coming soon, whether it be for the boat and or for possibly a cooking channel. Stand by for that. We'll definitely link that up as it comes along. But I definitely appreciate you guys for following along this awesome 2-day journey while we came down to help clean up the boat, do some projects. We got really wet working in the rain. Got really wet, sweaty, working down in the engine compartment, as you saw, dealing with all of the fiberglass installation. The stuff's heavy because it's lead lined. But yeah, we had a great time. We had a blast. But here fairly shortly, we're going to be heading back up to Virginia and doing our thing because the girls got school tomorrow. But yep, it is what it is. So definitely appreciate you guys. Give us that thumbs up, share us out to your friends, click that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye now. What are you doing?
I'm buckled driving.
How you're driving?
I see Mom.
You see Mom and Sissy?
What is she doing?
So you're just playing Uncle Billy's truck? Yeah. You having fun?
Can you come?
Awesome. No.
Can you